Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Magic, a tool that claims to generate studio quality product videos and still using real footage and 3D scenes. So the tool is pretty simple. You're going to select a template, upload the photo of your product, and then receive the video with the real video fast with real image from real footage. Uh, the deal here is pretty different. We have the license tier one with 75 credits per month, and there's no many features as image to 3D, advanced scene controls, etc. The license tier two, where you can get image to 3D, but not advanced scene controls. To get advanced scene controls, you need the license tier 3 and also the license tier 4 if you want to get the API. So here is Magic, and you can see here a lot of different templates. For the sake of that review, you're going to select that template. I'm going to upload my image. And I'm going to generate the video. As you can see, the video is generated pretty fast. And with Pro, it will be generate faster. So the video is ready. As you can see here, um, you can see the magic branding on the video, but only because I'm using the free version to spend the credits. And that's it. Then I'm gonna download the video and use it to promote your product. You can also try a second template. Here they will create the video. Here you can see the new video with my new image. So far, so good. I'm planning to buy the tier 2 at least. Um, the tool is impressive, and it will be awesome to share new insights about your product. Thank you so much. Bye bye.